What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. In this video we got the silicone grip case for the S23 Ultra, the genuine Samsung one. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Let's take a look at it and see what it looks like on the S23 Ultra. So everyone, we've got the silicone grip case from Samsung themselves. Now I have got this for the Z Fold 4 and I love the case. It was fantastic. Now they have made it for the S23. I did have a similar case for the S22. If you go back in a few videos, you'll see the one that had the strap on it. They've now changed it for this year where it's on the side. Go ahead, jump into it, take this out the box and get it fitted to the phone. Okay, so taking out the box, we've got a little cover over the front of it. And of course it's on the little cardboard cutout. Again, like all the Samsung cases are, but there we go. There is the silicone grip case. As you can see, you've got the accents of green fabric right here, a big S on this side, Samsung logo on the bottom, cutouts on the bottom here for your S Pen, your speaker, and of course your charge port. Nice velour suede inside, just like the leather case. As you can see, bring the leather one in, it's got a similar feel to it, although this feels a little bit more padded. And then you can see the accents of green and a rubber style feet inside to protect the phone from damage. The QR code there, of course. Now nice silicone rubber button. Let's just go ahead and slap the phone into the case. Now again, I have got the ESR lens protectors on, which fit absolutely perfectly in the case. No issues there at all, thankfully. And then you got the strap on the side. This is what you're going to use going forward. So you just put your hand through it and then it's going to sit like so, and of course just grip your phone. And you don't need to worry about it falling. It is just on there, so you just hold your phone like this. And of course, when you're taking pictures, I don't know how you're going to work it, because obviously your buttons can be used as shutter. But if you're going to use it like this, you know, you're going to have your hands sort of like this, so it doesn't cover all that well. I mean, you could put it there, or then you really want to be doing bending your fingers back like so to take a picture. I mean, I don't know about that one. That's something you'd have to think about and cover yourself, but nice clicky buttons to go on there with your silicone. So it is a silicone case. I don't know how well the silicone case is going to go over a few uses. It is a lovely coloured grey. It is really, really nice. It looks really good. I do like the green accents on the band, and obviously this moves up and down, so you can move it to where you want it. I don't know how it's going to fare over time. Now it has got a lip around the top to where you can place it face down like so, and it does sit really nice. But as I say, the corners on silicone tends to go really easily. Corners on the top of the phone right here, they tend to go quite easy too. But yeah, it's a nice case. It's going to do well. I mean, if you like to read books or you like to scroll through TikTok and Instagram, I mean, that's just nice to hold your phone and you're not going to get a sore pinky finger by holding it underneath. If you read a lot, you know, this is going to be perfect for you, because when you say lying in bed and you're reading, your phone's not going to fall on your face, which is a bonus. Now I do still have the same case for the Z Fold 4 and I absolutely love it to bits. It's actually on the phone right now. In fact, you know, if I show you the B-roll over the top, as you can see them side by side. I've been using it for a while now, optionally compared to the leather ones that I always go for. You know, I do always use a nice leather case. I have got the Spigen case, etc., that I do switch out now and again, but there's still a lot more to come, so make sure you stay tuned for all the videos still to come. This is a really, really nice case. It feels really nice too. Samsung have done an amazing job here with this, and to change it up from last year with the blue one, you know, I wish they would have done the same colour blue, but they only do this colour and the white, and of course different accents on the strap itself. But I do wish they would have done the blue one again. But as you can see, the blue one's got 22 rows in the middle, and it is just a little tiny strap, and that metal thing does get in the way. If you do like this case, I'll leave it linked in the description to Amazon, where it is a little tiny bit cheaper than Samsung's website, even with the 15% off right now. So it is a bit cheaper on Amazon. I'll leave it linked down there for you guys to check out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it, as always. Like if you liked it, sub if you loved it. Turn those notifications on. I'm going to see you really soon. Take care, guys. See you all soon.